Students can expect to learn to make their own keto pasta noodles in this class. So, yun yung unang-una nilang matututunan on how to really produce their own freshly made keto pasta noodles. So, this isn't your usual shirataki or konjac noodles. No, these are real flours with gluten. So because we need gluten for it to stretch and for us to be able to roll it properly, right, like regular pasta. They can also expect to learn 3 kinds of pasta dishes, mainly the lasagna, the truffle mushroom sauce, and the classic pesto. The difference between a gluten-free pasta and a pasta with gluten basically is the protein, because gluten is the protein in flour. So for this particular class, I had to go towards flour with gluten, which is basically the vital wheat gluten, but it is 0 carb. So they already extracted the carbohydrates from the flour, kaya vital wheat gluten na lang siya. The Keto Lasagne al Forno is your classic Italian lasagna. It is not your usual Filipino lasagna na sweet, no? So this is very classic Italian recipe. It has your ragu alla Bolognese. It has your bechamel sauce, but it's keto-fied kasi yung regular na bechamel makes use of flour, which we cannot have in keto. And of course, you have your cheeses to make the dish come together, to make it really silky and really, melts in your mouth type of lasagna. The Keto Black Truffle Mushroom Cream Sauce is your luxurious truffle pasta. So it makes use of black truffle, and of course you have your white wine and you have your whipping cream because we cannot use milk. So when it all comes together, talagang you would feel like you're in Italy, especially with the taste of the black truffle, no? It's very quick to make, very easy to make. So siguro with the boiling of the pasta, maybe in 10 minutes, you already have a wonderful, wonderful dish that you can feed your family. The pesto alla Genovese is your classic pesto. For this recipe, we make use of pine nuts. But in some recipes, they also allow using walnuts. But for this, we use the classic pine nuts. Your sweet basil, it's very important that you use sweet basil. And of course, your fresh garlic. We will make use of the Italian mortar and pestle. I have used other kinds of mortar and pestle like the granite and the wood. But from my experience, this Italian mortar and pestle makes the creamy pesto sauce that we need for this dish. For this class, I had to make sure that the ingredients are easy to find, especially in terms of making the pasta noodles. Kasi even if we want to make it gluten-free, since the ingredients aren't readily available yet here in the Philippines, I had to go to the other recipe wherein there's gluten, but the ingredients are very accessible. I would be honest and say that it takes practice in making the noodles. But what's good with this class is that we will show you step by step on how to make the noodles, because the pasta sauces are basically easy to make, no? I am sure you have experienced making it once or twice, but for the noodles, since we are making from scratch, because it is keto, you might need to practice, especially when it comes to putting the flour and the eggs together at the beginning. I feel very excited with this class. One, because for those who miss eating their pasta dishes, no, this is a great alternative. You can make it at home. It's very quick. Cooking the noodles is very quick. All you need is 3 minutes flat, no more, no less. Even apart from the lasagna, even the pesto and the black truffle, madaling gawin yung sauce niya, no? So, if you really need a quick fix, a quick dish that you want to serve your family, this is really the class you'd want to enroll in. The pesto sauce, you can store it in a jar, put it in the fridge, and then just take it whenever you want to eat, boil your pasta, put it on top, and then mix it, and then bam, you have a great dish. You can add grilled chicken on top of it, or any protein that you'd like. Same thing with the truffle mushroom. You can add pancetta, or you can add just regular bacon. You can even use chicken. Maraming options that you can use. But the basic sauce is there. You will learn in this class how to make it properly. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm really excited to share the recipes to everyone. Join me on another delicious keto class only here at the Bailiwick Academy.